What's up? What's up? What's happening? All right, here we go. Bum bum bidum bum bum bidum bum.
SpaceX is set to IPO on June 11th. These are my thoughts on it. What you guys should do. Should you guys buy it?
Okay, where is the audio headset? Perfect. Okay, log in. Use QR code. All right. What's going on, Roland? User. What are you guys doing? All right, yes, it's me, trying to log in. Let me in. All right. I don't want to recharge and I don't want to watch videos. Following.
You know this.
Ow, Annie, no. Videos. Okay, so now I can mute myself. Perfect. All right, perfect. How we doing today, guys? Everyone good? I'll give you guys a couple of minutes to tune in, because we're gonna be looking at precisely what's going on, you know, in the world right now. We're gonna see what's going on. I'm live everywhere, guys. Tune in. Ow. Okay. Alrighty. So let's see what's going on with the Nasdaq. Nasdaq at 9:30 today. Where is 9:30? 9:30 is right here. I waited for this move to pass because I knew that, it was going to be a reversal, because that's usually what it does, right? The market opens, price goes up, it rallies, and then, the accumulation comes in right after market open. The entire manipulation usually happens in the first 30 minutes of 9:30. Sometimes it happens a lot faster, like in 15 minutes, but in most cases it's always around 30 minutes. So that being said, I waited for price to do its thing. Even though I found these entry positions, I didn't feel comfortable because these were not like the best kind of moves. I anticipated something better. But then these ones over here, what's good, Ahmad? How you doing, bro? But what's good is once price came down over here, I saw this reversal over there and the shift that happened. That's precisely the point where I entered a sell, and you could see I've posted it in the Telegram. I've had multiple of these sells go all the way down over here. So yeah, this is what I'm saying over here. Got this move, got this move. If I were to put it on the charts, this is what it looks like. I've got this, and I've got this. And I also added another cheeky trade over here. So I had multiple options. So I had all of these positions. Yeah, so I had 3 trades over here. All of them are good. and I also have entered a position over here. I have, you guys are wondering why the camera is moving, it's because of my dog. I have 3 positions over here. So let's see. I've already closed this one over there. Yep, so this is kind of like what my chart looks like. You guys can't see all the way down. So yeah, this is what my chart kind of looks like. This is what I've done today. The ones that I've taken right now, this is currently at a break-even point. So all my trades are at break-even, simply just waiting for price to react to it. My puppy is really hyper right now. I played with her all day, but she still wants to keep playing. All she does is bite. Bite, 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 bite. Yeah, and I've got some nice moves over here. So let's see. Fingers crossed that it actually goes down. I'll give you guys a sneak peek of what it looks like. Like right there. I don't know if you guys can see it, but I think it's very clear. Yeah, you guys can see it. Right, so that's the trades I've taken, all of which are at break even. So there's a chance that it could break me, like it could take out all the positions, but I'm optimistic. Anything is possible, but I'm optimistic. I'm hoping that it continues to dump because I've already had my wins for today. I'm good. I'm solid. But if it actually continues going down from here, it's going to be a big move. It's going to be a really big move down. So you're going to end up seeing it go down all the way to 28,436 or to 28,220. So market is not loving angry. Uh, I think the market is doing pretty good. Welcome back, bro. Thank you. Appreciate it very much. Ah, God damn it, Annie. Annie's gonna be the death of me. From all the days, today she is the ultimate most annoying. Tsar! She's truly annoying today. You know, I've had a roller coaster of emotions. Remember I told you I'm trying the swing account um, with the $200? I only told AS. So guys, I did a $200 swing account because you guys know me as a scalp trader, right? So I'm only scalp trading. And I started with a swing account because I wanted to get into Forex, and I'm seeing a lot of opportunities that because you know, I don't want to be limited to just NASDAQ and gold and Bitcoin. So I wanted to also explore other things. And the thing is, Forex, there are a lot of pairs. There are plenty of pairs on Forex. And I didn't exactly want to miss any of them. Um, so the most common thing to do is to swing trade in Forex. You know, scalping is not exactly the best on Forex. It's really good for swing trading. So the $200 account has gone up to 400, and it's dropped down to 200 and went up to 400, came down to 100, and then now I'm up to 200 again. So it's like I'm really trying really hard to get it up. But you know, taking off from $100 account is really difficult. So I'll have to see how that goes. Is this gonna stop me out? Let's see. Hopefully not. Actually, that's not where I entered. My bad. This is where I entered, guys. So I entered one here, one here, one here. Yeah, one here, one here, one here. So everything's at break even. Hopefully it doesn't stop me out. I want to see it. I want to see it like respect this level over here before going dumpski. Because if it dumps over here, it's gonna be a massive move. It's gonna be a really big move. So let's see. It's already almost broken the low. I mean, it's literally at its lowest point for today. I mean, not for today, but for New York session. So hopefully it comes down over here and it just dumps. Really don't want to be stopped out at break even. Because this could be a really nice profit. Kind of late for FOMO? No, not FOMO, bro. I saw this, look. I'll show you. Once I saw this, okay, this is a nice displacement right here, this candle. You can already tell that price has been ranging here for quite some time. And then, there's a lot of displacement here, right? Price respected this relative equal high multiple times, almost relative equal high, but this relative equal high. And every time it gets there, it goes dumpski. Comes back up, dumpski. Goes back up, dumpski. And then it respected this level. And I was like, okay, maybe possibly something's going to happen here. And then it goes dumpski again. So when you see all of this, that means the sellers are trying to push the price lower. So because of that, I said, you know what? If I see a pullback over here, I'm going to sell, which I did. Caught one here, caught one here, caught one here. And that's why price is there. I need to remove this. Yeah, I have no trades here. This is the point of entries. So if price comes back up here and it hits my break even, so be it. But if it doesn't, then it could break this level, which I wanted to. And if it does, it's going to keep going down over here. And this could actually end up giving me more profits that I've actually made today from my New York session trade. So let's see. I have no expectations. In fact, my expectation is I think I'm going to hit break even. I think it's going to hit my break evens. I'm kind of certain that it's very likely going to hit my break evens. But we'll see. Question, bro. Can you see? Can you hear Annie chewing on my slipper? You can hear the squeaky. The squeaky. He's really pissing me off today. So triggering. Also, GBP CAD, just to give you an update, GBP CAD, where are you? Uh-huh. GBP CAD, it's moving. It's moving in the way that I've anticipated. Check it out. Check it out, baby. It is literally moving in the way that I've anticipated. Now I have my entries on the orange line. Let me just put that there. Okay. Got my stops above here. Okay. My TP is literally, where is it? My TP is literally here. Okay, so it's a 3-2-1. But realistically, if it continues to go down, it can go all the way down here, which is a 7-1. Really clean move. Really, really clean move. But I don't think it's going to clear today, not at all. But you can see that the price wants to go lower. Today's New York session was so painful. No, this is not gold. It's GBP CAD. British pound against the Canadian dollar. So yeah, feeling pretty good about that. I already have a lot of trades in over here. I've got 3 open positions, and I'm letting it run. I'm literally gonna let it run for the next week. So we'll see how that feels. It's gonna be weird having to see myself in a position overnight. It's gonna be very, very weird. But first time for everything. And as for Nasdaq, let's see, Nasdaq is still ranging. I haven't been stopped out yet. Hopefully not. We want to see more dumpskis. We want to see the damn dumpskis. All right. And what else? AS, you still here? I want to ask you something. I want to ask you something, AS. So, first of all, my first question is the chart HD? That's the most important thing. Because I know on TikTok it was, but right now, is the chart HD? Because I'm looking at it and it seems like, well, I'm watching from a PC and there's 1080p 60 FPS, and it seems like the chart is HD, but my camera is not. Like it seems like I'm moving at 20 FPS. Okay, so there's another Dumpsky right now. I might enter another sell position if there's a pullback. And you're welcome to join AS. Okay, so if it's HD, my next question is does it like can you see things clearly? Or do I end up like do I have to end up zooming in like this for you guys to see more clearly? I need feedback, bro, because at the end of the day, I want you guys to be able to see stuff. I don't want you guys to be looking at this chart and not seeing anything. Does this mean I have to end up squeezing through like this? Or can I look at it in the normal way like I used to, which is like this? It's really an important question. Can you zoom in? Wait, I'll just do it from my phone actually. Okay, can you zoom in? Okay, so you can only zoom in if it is in full screen. Okay. So when it's in full screen, you can zoom in. But when it's in portrait mode, like in a straight way, you can't zoom in. It just automatically, yeah, it just automatically kind of zooms in. Okay. All right, and I need to fix my green screen. Okay, it looks like I just need to fix my green screen. My green screen is, I mean, you could see that it's kind of like noisy. Okay, gotcha. Thanks for the feedback. I missed the move. I didn't enter. If it goes higher, I will, but okay, okay, okay. Just a bit higher. Just a bit more. Just a bit more. I think actually I've entered enough. I don't want to enter another one. AS, are you gaming? Are you sitting and playing marbles? It's just me and you watching my stream right now. My stream is, I think, from TikTok Studio, it pushes you to bring people, but I think from where we are right now, you're in Valorant. Where's my invite? What do you mean? What do you mean you're in Valorant? Where's my invite, bro? You know I play that game. One of my main games, bro. What do you mean? Actually disappointing. Bro, today you disappointed me twice. Bro's playing one of my favorite games. He's not playing with me. It's crazy. Alright. Okay. So now they gotta do the camera. This is gonna be fun. 410. Okay, so am I muted? No. You don't hear me? Did I somehow mute myself? No, I'm not muted. I'm just quiet. I'm trying to like adjust my settings so that way it's just like a one-time fix and I don't have to keep trying to fix it. What's your rank in Valo? Zero 0.65. Yeah, I can't do anything with the contrast, so it's gonna be brightness then. Yeah, you can't, it's not the brightness. Shit, I kind of messed up with the brightness. Okay. Gamma 0.05. Yeah, okay, so there's nothing I can actually actively do besides, I mean, if I clicked blue, what's gonna happen? Okay, that's not it. Magenta. Hi! What's up? And then custom color. Maybe custom color is what I need to do. I mean, at the end of the day, the curtain is green. So I don't know. Where did I go? I disappeared. Oh boy. Did not work out. Hmm. I mean, technically, I could just leave the green curtain behind me, right? Ah, this is so frustrating. All right, it is what it is. I'll keep it like this, and you guys will just disappeared. Yeah. All right. So let's see what's been happening. Okay. Also, you guys can't see all the way until here. Okay. All right. So this means I need to push the chart up a tiny bit until there. Yeah. That way you can see everything. Perfect. Okay. Everything is calibrated. Everything is good. Everything is fine. All right. Let's get into it. Mm-mm-mm-mm. I'm just trying to fix one more thing. Watermark plus 10% so people don't ask. What do you mean? What do you mean by watermarks 10% so people don't ask? Oh, like the 10%? The watermark is there. Nah, the watermark is there. People can see it. They just gotta try hard. And I want people asking. Interaction in it, bruv. Alright. Okay, cool. So everything's all set. Good. Okay. We've got oh boy. Do we have NASDAQ dumping right now? Is it gonna happen? Are we going to see it? Is it gonna drop? Is it gonna drop, baby? Come on, you already did. You already broke the low. Yes, you broke the low. Come on, it's gotta be a waterfall from here. It's gotta be a waterfall. Come on, a 7-to-1 risk to reward ratio. Let's get it. Let's get it, fam. No, it's coming back up. Hopefully, this is just like a sweep. Stops people out. All right, we had one break-even hit, two break-even hit, and the third one is gonna hit right now. We're gonna have the third break-even hit right now. The last standing soldier. It's the final standing soldier. No. Ah, it hit. Bruh. Bro. Ah, no waterfall today. No skydiving. It's to the moon trip. It's to the moon. At least it was risk-free. That's all that matters. There's still potential because now there's liquidity. But I think it's khalas. I'm done for the day. That's it. Disappointing. Actually disappointing. It had a nice run. This was so frustrating though. This whole period over here, it was pretty clean, and then it just got frustrating. And you know what, AS? It's your fault. You brought this on. You see that? Bro, brought the market brought the Egyptian out of you. uh, bro, you're playing Sage. I can't believe you're not playing with me. That's crazy. You should just like right click and report yourself, if that's even possible. Yeah, this is it. It's gonna go up from here, I guess. Let's see what it looks like on a higher time frame. It may well reverse, to be honest, but let's see. Let's get rid of all of these. Keep a nice clean chart. All right. Very bullish now, huh? Shocker. It's gotta go Dumpsky right now. Respected this level. What are we gonna do? Are we gonna go down from here? Or he's gonna reject off of this level? Yes. All right. There is a lot of liquidity right now. Okay, I'm already in a sell, but I gotta break even trade at this point because this is a lot of liquidity. That's an insane amount of liquidity. All right, I got stopped out already. That's an insane amount of liquidity. That's crazy. I did not feel comfortable getting in here. You got a full team squad, 5 people? You see what market's doing? There's a surge of liquidity right now. Mm-mm-mm-mm. Just had 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 break-even trades right now on Nasdaq. 5 break-even trades. This is a lot. The hell did Trump say this time, bro? What did he say? Make that 6 break-even trades. It really needs to dump. I really don't think it's gonna go higher. I could be wrong, but it's everything is showcasing that it's gonna go higher. I mean lower. Gold is just going down, bro, like crazy. It's actual dumpski right now. Eddie, no. Your cells on gold are still running? That's crazy. I think it might actually go even lower from here. NQ is struggling to go lower. All the charts look the same. What the fudge? Oil is going down. Annie. Annie. Yeah, 1 hour close within the 3 minutes is gonna give us some feedback. Usually within 3 minutes, like after 2 minutes in this closure, okay, 2 p.m. New York time, that's like I'm out of the market. All the trades, I close it. But I'm also looking for a swing trade, which is why I'm looking at different instruments. I'm not limiting myself to just gold and NASDAQ. You gotta monitor DXY anytime you're trading anything with the US dollar. So since gold is against the US dollar, then yes, you need to monitor it. But if you wanna completely cut out the DXY, then you can trade gold against the euro or gold against the British pound. It really comes down to if you're trading a US pair. All analysis done on the dollar it's good. It's very good to look at the dollar. Because the dollar is gonna essentially show you its direction. When you know the direction of the dollar, then you're gonna have a lot of good setups, especially in Forex. I ghosted you. I think I'm closing at 4,000. I don't know. You think it's gonna reach 4,000? The dollar right now is dumping. If the dollar is dumping, high chance that gold's gonna go higher from here. All right, it's 10 p.m. Just 2 p.m. New York time. Here's the YouTube link. Here's the YouTube link. All right. We'll see. Fingers crossed. I think we've entered a period of choppy price action, so yeah, choppy price action. Ooh, I've seen this before. It closed so cleanly. So perfect. Gotta be very cautious over here. Very cautious. Oh, this is the freest trade ever. And also this one here. My strategy is here and I missed it. Could have had all this. I don't think there's much to do here, guys. I think let's just call it a day. The market definitely was tricky today, and I did end up making some profits. Some, not much. I did catch a very nice move on Nasdaq right after New York opened by an hour. But after that, it hasn't been great. It hasn't been great. It's not the time. Yeah, look, I've been creating content today, the whole day. I've created content since 10 in the morning, so a bit drained. All right, I'm gonna wrap it up, guys. Today's stream, it's not gonna grow from here because there's not much going on, and I did spend most of the day calibrating and connecting and adjusting, etc., etc., etc. So I will wrap up the stream today. But the good news is we've got TikTok right now in OBS. So we've got YouTube, Kick, Twitch. Okay, YouTube, Kick, Twitch, and TikTok all on OBS. So that is really, really fantastic news for me. I'm really, really pumped and happy about that. So yeah, and I think the format right now, it's a lot more cleaner. I think you guys see the format in a nice, clean way. So now you guys have the choice to read the chat clearly, and you can see the full chart clearly, and you can also see whatchamacallit. You can also see a full screen of it by just clicking on the full screen. So I think it's just perfect right now. So yeah, it's been real. Thank you guys for being here. For those of you who want to join the Telegram, the link is right there. Obviously, you can see the QR code, but you can also just join from the link in my bio. You're going to find the Telegram link over there. Come join the community, make some friends, share your trading ideas, learn how to draw these algorithmic liquidity levels, try to understand how to catch these moves. I don't trade live every single day. I trade live when I see good opportunities, but I'm always live every day anyway. You guys are more than welcome to join. Today's stream has been cut short because obviously I did spend a lot of time calibrating it and trying to get it right. But you know, it's good. So it's going to be even better from tomorrow onwards, guys. So tune in, stay active, be around. And if you guys need anything, you know where to find me. Thank you guys for being here. Appreciate it very, 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 very much. Appreciate all the likes and all the hearts. And join the trading community, guys. The link tree is in the bio. You'll find the Telegram over there. Join and say hello. And you'll also get access to a free ebook. So, yeah. Thank you, guys. See you later. Peace out.